Today I'm going to show you how to log in to Follett Destiny. Go to the isps.edu.tt website. Under Quick Links, click on Library Resources. Click on the Follett Destiny icon and then click on International School Port of Spain. You must log in if you would like to get the full features of Follett Destiny. Contact a librarian for your username and password. On the home page in Follett Destiny, you will see some links that we think you should look at. If you want to search for a book, click Catalog. Once here, you can type in a topic for something that you're looking for. So let's say you want to look for books or resources that have to do with animals. If you click on keyword, you're going to get the broadest search possible. So you're going to pick up the most number of resources. So you see that there are 2,205 resources that mention animals. Now the problem with a keyword search is it's going to pick up the word animals in the title, author, subject, or series of a resource. It may not necessarily be what you're looking for. If you'd like to further limit your search results, you can either search for animals in title, if you know that the title of the resource that you're looking for has animals in it, or you can do a subject search. You note here that the resources have been limited, so from 2,000, over 2,000 to 1,500 now. Remember that you can also limit your resources using material type. If you, for example, want to only find animal books, I would select material type book. If I know my accelerated reader level or my Lexile level, I can enter that range here. So I can say maybe 400 to 1,000 or 900, let's say. And then I can do, let's say, a keyword search. And you notice that the resources have been limited significantly. If you want to do a different search, please remember to reset all of your limiters so that you do not have those same limiters applied if you do not want them for a new search. I also want to show you that you can do a Kindle book search. So let's say you want to find out what books we have on Kindles in the library. Type in Kindle and click Subject. This will generate results for all of the Kindle books as well as the Kindle devices that we have in the library available for you to borrow. Once you've done this search, you can see what, if you, for example, you're looking for this book, you can click on this book and you will be able to see what devices this particular book is on. You can click on any of these hyperlinked devices as well and see what other books are on those devices. If, for example, you just want to, out of curiosity, see what books are on that particular device. If you're looking for a particular book, you know what book you're looking for, but you want to see if it's available on Kindle or audiobook or as a general book, you can do a title search. And you'll note that this book, Me Before You, is available as a physical book, and it's here in the library right now, an audiobook and a Kindle book. Note that audio and Kindle books usually say no copies near to the resource. This is because these are digital resources, so there are no physical copies available, but they are available digitally for you to borrow. Pay special attention to the number of resources that are available in the library. If there is one book available, it will say one of one available. If there are no books available, physical books available, it will say 0 of 1 available. I hope that this tutorial helps you a little bit to understand how to search for Kindle books as well as do a general search in the library. What we'll do now is just an audiobook search. Now, audiobooks are a little bit different. We don't type in audiobook when we're searching to see what audiobooks we have in the library. We type in iPod and then click Subject. you will see all of the books that we have here in the library that are audiobooks, and you will note that the title has audiobook in it. So you'll know that these are audiobooks available for you to borrow. If you have any questions about searching for Kindle books, audiobooks, or doing a general search in the library, please contact a librarian. Thank you for watching.